Hello everyone, this is the Thrustmaster steering wheel that I use for my Xbox game, Forza 3, and the foot pedals. It's been awesome for me, but one of the springs broke in here, so warranty ran out. So I emailed Thrustmaster, told them about it. I had to show a little video, sent it to them. They sent me another spring, but I'm not going to put it in because I like the way it works right now with one spring. And then my steering wheel started screwing up. When I turned to the left, it would turn to the left, but if I turned to the right, it would glitch. It was glitching all the time, so when you're racing, you turn a little bit, it would fly off to the left and go into the Tulies. So I emailed Thrustmaster again, and again they wanted the serial number, which is on the back of this, and they wanted the receipt. I had to show them a receipt that I had purchased this a couple months ago. And so they told me to go ahead, send them a video of what it was doing. So I made a little video, showed them that it was going off into the Tulies. So they didn't, instead of shipping this thing back, they wanted me to cut the wire at the base of the steering wheel. So I left a little piece here in case I need to splice it back together again. And so I showed them a picture of that I cut it, and they would send me a new steering wheel. So they sent me a new steering wheel today and double boxed it. There's the packing slip for it and everything, and just took it out of the box, and I noticed the new steering wheel here. And they also sent me another set of foot pedals, so kind of stoked about that. Hopefully my new steering wheel works. I think there's probably some kind of glitch in the motherboard in there or something that's making it screw up. I notice other people on YouTube having the same problem with this steering wheel, so hopefully the new one works good. So that was kind of nice of them to send me free of charge a new wheel and foot pedals. So thank you, Thrustmaster. Talk to you later, everyone.